Assalamu alaikum, beloved brothers and sisters. Today I am sharing a powerful wazifa from the Holy Quran that has transformed countless lives. The first 10 verses of Surah Hadid combined with the last 10 verses of Surah Hashr, a combination that Islamic scholars have praised for centuries for fulfilling righteous desires. Stay with me till the end to learn the proper method and timing. Welcome back to Quranic Wazifa World, where we explore the healing power of Allah's words. Before we begin, let me remind you the Quran is not just a book of wishes, but a guide that transforms our hearts and brings us closer to Allah. When we recite with sincere intention and pure heart, Allah, in His infinite mercy, answers our prayers in the best way possible. Next, now I am telling you about the spiritual significance of this wazifa. The first 10 verses of Surah Hadid speak of Allah's absolute sovereignty and power. These verses remind us that Allah knows everything in the heavens and earth, and nothing happens without His knowledge and permission. The last 10 verses of Surah Hush contain the beautiful names of Allah Asmaul Husna. When we recite these verses, 70,000 angels pray for our forgiveness. Just remind this again 17,000 angels pray for our forgiveness, and Allah's mercy descends upon us continues. Now, together, these verses create a powerful spiritual combination that strengthens our connection with Allah, purifies our intentions, opens doors of divine mercy, protects us from harm. Now, let me share the authentic method as taught by Islamic scholars. First, step 1 Purification. Perform fresh wuzu. Choose a clean and quiet place. Face the Qibla if possible. And the step 2 start with أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. And the step 3 first recite the opening 10 verses of Surah Hadid. First 10 verses of Surah Hadid. Then recite the final 10 verses of Surah Hashr. And the step 4, make dua. After completing the recitation, raise your hands, make sincere dua for your lawful desires. Always end with Ameen Ya Rabbul Alameen. Timing best performed after Fajr prayer or before Maghrib. Duration continue for 3 days. Inshallah, your desire will be fulfilled. And if not, you must continue this wazifa for 7 days consistently. Inshallah, your prayers are fulfilled by Allah, inshallah ta'ala. And important guidelines. My dear brothers and sisters, please remember these crucial points. Your intention must be pure. Seek Allah's pleasure first. Only ask for halal things, never for harm to others. Be patient. Allah's timing is perfect. Continue your regular prayers. This is additional worship. Give charity. It increases the acceptance of dua. Seek forgiveness. Start with istighfar. Never use this for harming others, unlawful relationships, anything against Islamic teachings. Islamic scholars have documented numerous benefits of this powerful combination, spiritual benefits and worldly benefits. Now let's talk about spiritual benefits. Increased faith and closeness to Allah, protection from evil eye and negative energy, peace of heart and mind, guidance in difficult decisions, worldly benefits, success in lawful endeavors, resolution of financial difficulties, healing from illness, harmony in relationships. Remember, the greatest miracle is not just getting what we want, but becoming the person Allah wants us to be through this spiritual journey. If this wazifa has benefited you, please share it with others. Spreading Islamic knowledge is a form of Sadaqah Jariyah. Subscribe to Quranic Wazifa World for more